Their story is even more incredible from Opelousas, Louisiana. Please welcome Alex and Ayrton Little. Okay, who's Alex? Who's Ayrton?
Alex.
I'm Ayrton.
All right, okay. Hi. And how old are you?
I'm 18.
You're 18 and you're 16.
Yes.
And you got into Harvard and you got into Stanford. Not just got in, but full scholarships. And so you obviously do very well at school, and this obviously has been a dream for both of you. Your story is, you were raised by a single mom. You were on the verge of being homeless for most of your lives. You spent years in a home with no heat, no food a lot of times, and you would leave the oven burners on to keep you warm at night. Your younger brother passed away a couple of years ago, and through all of this, you maintained the highest GPAs in your class. That is a testament to who you are to raise these two young boys like this, because a lot of people and a lot of young boys would use that as an excuse to say, I don't have time and go in a different direction.